Welcome to Chuangwen Electric Company, Limited. We are a professional manufacturer of voltage stabilizers, committed to providing efficient and stable power solutions to customers around the world. At Chuangwen Electric Company, Limited, our team is our most valuable asset. Every employee ensures the quality of our products and the perfection of our services with a high sense of responsibility and professionalism. Our production line is equipped with advanced equipment, and every link is precisely operated to ensure that the quality of each voltage stabilizer reaches the industry's top standards. Our craftsmanship is meticulous, and the assembly of every small part is crucial, ensuring that each voltage stabilizer can operate smoothly in a complex power environment. Each voltage stabilizer must pass a strict voltage fluctuation test before leaving the factory to ensure its stability and safety in actual applications. At Chuangwen Electric, our team is our most valuable asset. Every employee ensures the quality of our products and the perfection of our services with a high sense of responsibility and professionalism. We will continue to innovate, adhere to quality, and be committed to providing the most stable and safest power solutions to customers around the world.